Okay, 33. 33 is similar, the only case using fraction exponent, but you know the conversion between fraction exponent and radical. This is equivalent to say square root 3x plus 1 equal 4. And the rest is the same. Square both sides. 3x plus 1 is equal 16. 3x is equal 16 minus 1 is 15 divided by 3. The answer is 5. You must check. Check. It's like a square root 3 times 5 plus 1 should be 4. That's obvious, it's true. 3 times 5 15 plus 1 is 16, square root 16 is 4, 4 equals 4 is true. Then 5 is the solution of this equation. Okay, 35 is similar, but in this case is cubic root because the index is 3. 5x minus 2 equal 2. Now you cube both sides, cubing. This is 5x minus 2 equal 8 because 2 to the third power is 8. Now 5x is equal 8 plus 2 gets 10. X is equal 10 divided by 5 gets 2. Now the checking, not necessarily the checking, but the index is odd number. However, to make sure, I want to do is cubic root 5 times 2 minus 2 should be 2. This is 10 minus 2 is 8. Of course 2 is true. 2 equal 2 is true, and the solution is 2. Okay, 37 again is using fraction exponent, but I write using radical notation. This is square root x squared plus 9 equal 5. Square both sides. X squared plus 9 equal 25. X squared is equal to 25 minus 9, que is 16. So far we have x squared equals 16 as a quadratic equation. I solve it by square root principle. X is equal plus or minus 4. Okay, let's check the solution. Check the solution. In this case mandatory because the index is even number. It's a square root of 4 squared plus 9 equal 5. 4 squared is 16, 16 plus 9 is 25, square root 25 is 5, 5 equals 5, perfect. And the other is negative 4 squared plus 9 equals 5. It's the same because negative 4 squared is 16, positive 16 is exactly the same, 5 equals 5. Now the solution set for this equation is 4 and negative 4. Okay, 39, in this case we are doing by factorization. I saw, for example, the x to the 1/2 is a common factor. It's a greater common factor. So we have x, you have 3, you factor out 1, we have 2, 2 over 2 is 1, invisible 1, minus 3, equal to 0. And you apply the 0 factor rule, x 1/2 equal to 0. It's the same, square root equal to 0, square root x equal to 0 is x equal to 0. You square both sides, no? And 0 squared is 0. And likewise, another solution is x minus 3 equals 0, x equals 3. Let's check in the solution. Check. Checking for x equals 0. Is 0 raised to the any power minus 3 times 0 to the any power is equal to 0. So because 0 equals 0 equal to 0, the solution is perfect. Now 3, checking for 3. Check for x equal positive 3. So it's 3 raised to the 3 over 2 minus 3 times x gets 3 raised to the 1/2 is 0. Is this is like a square root 3 to the third power is 1/3, 3 to the third, so it's 1/3 inside, 1/3 outside, minus 3, and this is square root 3. And so equals 0. 0 equals 0. Now solution 3 is okay also. Both solutions are perfect. Solution Z is 0 and 3.